And this is why we're big on it now, is because regardless of where the economy goes, if it continues to always go up, we'll be fine. If the market turns around and goes south, we'll be fine. You have an overheated market, a lot of silly money being thrown around. Everybody wants to be in multifamily. It's flashy. I'm a syndicator, value add. I'm going to put in new kitchens and baths. Everybody's doing it, right? We knew that, all right, one is you have an overheated market, right? There's cheap money. You have a lot of money in the market. You have a lot of people that are putting together deals. And we knew that we were 8-9 years into a bull market. And just knowing the history of the economy says that cycles usually only go to about 10 years. So we recognize that. We don't want to wait till the bubble bursts. And a lot of people learned that in 2007, 2008, that got crushed. So we said, how do we prepare now? We're always looking at how do we prepare for the next 2 years? And you're never going to be able to predict the future, but you can make some educated guesses that you're not going to lose your shirt on. So we looked at, all right, we're not finding the deals that we want to do. We're well equipped and well capitalized to do bigger deals. Where are these deals? What else? What other asset classes can we prepare for? And we landed on 2 asset classes that we thought were going to be well prepared for a recession. Manufactured home communities or mobile home parks, which is another level down in terms of housing affordability, and self-storage. And then we ended up honing in and becoming laser focused on self-storage because during the last recession, it was the only asset class that returned a positive number to potential investors. And the reason for that is that self-storage is needed in all phases of individuals' life, right? During good times, you're expanding your lifestyle. You're getting more toys. You're buying more stuff. And you don't want to get rid of the stuff, so you put it in storage, right? During bad times, people have to downsize. They may have to move back home with their parents. They may have to sell their McMansion or whatever, or even their business. They don't want to lose their stuff. To spend $50 to $150 a month to keep it in storage is easy. So they put it in storage. So it's that one asset class that captures both sides. And this is why we're big on it now, is because regardless of where the economy goes, if it continues to always go up, we'll be fine. If the market turns around and goes south, we'll be fine. And we're seeing that. We've proven that with our storage facility now.
Thank you for watching another video brought to you by my team at Invested Talent. Now, if you're looking to get more content like this for your own brand, don't slide in my DM. No, don't do that. Text the community number instead. Text us repurpose at 678-679-5613, and we'll be sure to send you your guide, your blueprint on how you can actually repurpose your content either with us or a blueprint that you can use in-house. We'll see you on the other side.